Okay mga kaibigan, so waifu unboxing nga po tayo ngayon, and if hindi nyo alam kung saan ang galing ang waifu na ito, alamin nyo, ang Boku no Kokoro Yabayatsu. And it's definitely one of the best rom-com animes that I've watched in a long time, besides Son of Bisque Doll. So if di nyo pa napapanood ang Boku no Kokoro Yabayatsu, panoorin nyo na. Actually, I've had this for a while, ngayon ko lang naisipan na unbox. So yun nga siya so far, tapos may dalawa pa siyang ice cream. And I actually don't want to hold her with my greasy ass hands. Bro, yung detail dito, like yung facial expression niya is definitely kuhang-kuha. Kasi there are times sa papaparade na, well, sobrang miss yung ibang mga figures nila. Pero dito, it looks to be very nice. And then, para ma-appreciate nyo siya as is muna, without the ice cream. And definitely para sa akin, this is one of the few papaparades na I got more than what I paid for. So, very nice.